Okay, Jesus, assalamu alaikum. This is the law school right here. I know you can't see because there's a bunch of trees in the way, but the point is, this is like, I'm going to show you the distance from the law school to where I live to the mechanical engineering building. So I'm going to turn around now, and this is the walkway towards like the main campus slash like, so right now we're on the northeast side of campus, so we're going west now, and we're kind of in the north part. But this is where the mechanical engineering building is as well. So I'm going to show you, see that huge building right there? That's the mechanical engineering building. And it's kind of like a little quad area where the other where the other engineering buildings are. There's like a little quad there, and it's like this petroleum and chemical engineering. And then I think this one right here on the left is the, I think that's computer engineering. I was asking some guys earlier today, I forgot, but there's a little bridgeway between them, and that's like what connects to the, let me see if I can zoom in on it. It's like a little bridge, and that's what connects the engineering departments to each other. So this is the mechanical engineering one, and it's pretty close to the law school. So if you came here hypothetically and I was at the law school, we'd be like a 5-minute walk away from each other. And there's like a little park. It's not really a park, but it's like sort of a nice little area to chill. People do that sometimes, right next to it. And then behind it, so I'm gonna point with my finger, that way, behind the mechanical engineering building is where I live, like 5 minutes away. So there's a lot of housing there, and there's housing on the west, which is where we're going towards, and that's not too far either. So if you came here, that would be like to your advantage. There'd be a lot of housing around, and it's pretty cheap. So yeah. And then I'm just gonna show you quickly, to our left here is the rest of campus. Like, this is going into campus. So if we were to turn up here at the street to the left and keep going, we'd go and see like the stadium and everything like that. And I'll try to see if I can see it for where we are in the mechanical engineering area. But for now, we are going this way towards this big building. So let's see, just to kill time here. So this is Dean Keaton Street. It's one of the biggest streets like that. It crosses through the campus. We're not crossing the street. So we're crossing to the side where the building is. We're going to cross one more street to get there now. So let's see if I can back out of here. So now we're just going to cross the street, and it'll be right there. I don't know how many stories it is. It's kind of a big building, as you can see, and there's the computer engineering building. And then beyond that, there's like biomedical and chemistry and all that stuff. So this is it. I know, like, from the outside it looks kind of just like what you'd imagine. Like, we are functional. We do not like aesthetics. We are mechanical engineers. We're all about Newton and his 3 laws and all that good stuff. And that pretty boy stuff doesn't help out with our 3 laws or applying it. Well, that's your problem, mechanical engineers. That's why nobody likes you. But that's okay, because so that's one entrance apparently. I've never been through there. I'm gonna keep going this way because I want to show you the little courtyard area. So this is like, yeah, so this is a nice part of campus here. So again, this is computer engineering, and there's like a walkway that connects the two. And now here's so I guess I'm gonna go Rambo on this because I don't want to walk around it. Oh, I guess let's walk around. But this is, so that's okay. A couple things. That's the petroleum engineering building, and then that's mechanical, and that's supposed to be art. That's what that is.
Not too hungry right now, so
Not just gotta climb this thing. I'm just gonna do it here. I'm just wearing sandals, so it sucks. Okay. So this is like the little courtyard they have here. It's not bad, right? It's a nice little place for everyone to chill and hang out and all that good stuff. So all the engineering buildings are like right here and stuff. And far that way you can't see it, but like it's behind this would be the law school. So people park their bikes. See that? Yeah, you can see it now, right? Okay. And then a lot of what this is, it looks like some kind of math stuff going on. And this is the entrance to the building. And here's all the important information that nobody ever reads because nobody cares who made the building and all that wonderful stuff. Okay. We're gonna go inside. Cool, so nice little seating area to study. I don't know what this is. You can figure that out and tell me what it is. And this is a pretty nice building. Conference rooms. And that's real. That happened. So as you can see, it's not bad at all. Very nice, alhamdulillah. Nice amenities. They really take care of the mechanical engineering students here. I've never been in this building, so I can't really tell you too much yet. I'm gonna go around. There's a computer lab in there. It's for everyone, I guess, but I'm guessing you'd have priority. There's other stuff that's apparently important. This is the other side of the building. And of course, the mechanical engineering hero of the year. Yep, Jeremy Lin. So there's all this stuff around here. I don't know what else to show you. I guess I'll try to go upstairs. So I guess here are the stairs. Yep. Janky stairs. Trying to keep my voice down because I'm sure there are people studying and not appreciating my loud voice. I don't know. I think I might just be an area where there are labs now, so I'll just check and see. Okay, so now basically from here on up is basically just like classrooms and lecture halls and stuff. Downstairs there was a big lecture hall. I don't know if I can get into it, but if I can, I'll show you. Okay. So I guess level 2 is like the main level. Let's see what's at level 1, because you can just cafeteria or something. Okay, I guess this is like an area for manufacturing. And there's like a classroom in there, and yeah, okay, so this is like manufacturing stuff. So I don't think you're manufacturing, but this is what this area, this is the first floor. Okay, Tanny, we're on the second floor. So I guess this is like the main area. Everyone, like, this is like where everything happens at the bottom. Yeah, so announcements and all that stuff is here. Study abroad. Oh, free cafeteria here. So this is the cafeteria slash study area. This is the lab area. So it's really nice lab. And this is how everyone feels about OU. And it's a pretty cool place. Pretty cool. Oh, okay. There's a bunch of history about this place and the really creepy man who was apparently a good mechanical engineer. That's where you find out stuff about him. And then again, now we're outside where we came from, and here is the breezeway kind of place for going into the main campus slash the other engineering buildings. And now I'm just gonna show you where oh yeah, maybe some other things that might matter to you. So that way, you enter into campus from that street light right there. Maybe you can't see it, but the point is, if you take a left up there, you go straight like 100 yards, and that's where that is where the gym is. So the gym isn't too far from here, so you can basically make it in your trip to the school or outside the school, whatever. It's kind of on your way. And then going to where I live, we're gonna take a right up here at the street. So notice I've only been walking for about a minute now, so just the end of the street right here. And then why don't I okay, so I'm just gonna end it by saying, yeah, so we're gonna turn this street right here, and then if you walk about, it's like 1/8 of a mile. It's like it'll take me 2 minutes to get there. If I walk there, that's where I live. So there's housing literally right there if you wanted to live there, and you would get here in like 7 minutes. I'm not kidding. Like, I'm not exaggerating. You'd walk into your classroom like from 7 minutes after you left your apartment. So just down here, and it's not a bad place to campus. It's like a really nice part of the campus, and there's not too many undergrads. It's not like a bunch of like liberal arts crazies out here. It's like all engineering, and there's like a law school out there, so you're surrounded by intelligent people, especially the law school. So they're like the most intelligent people on campus. Just remember that, so you know where you are on the pecking order. Alright, Zizo, if you want anything else, let me know. I got some time here in Austin. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Okay, Zizo, this is one last thing. I went to meet my friends at the Clark Intramural field, but I wanted to show it to you. So basically there's this field on campus, and it's free to anyone who wants to play on it. So yeah, it's right in the middle of campus basically, and it's like between really nice buildings and stuff. And that's where the stadium is, right over there. So it's like right next to it, and it's like lined turf. It's kind of like how Leland High School was. And there's a track around it, so people are running around the track and stuff like that. Yeah, and then far from the distance right there, you see that's the Capitol right there. So it's like a nice atmosphere. I'm just showing it to you while you're checking out the mechanical engineering building.